Hey man, how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets. It is actually currently 9:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I'm gonna be fast. So session's about to open. I'm gonna take a trade in front of you, and then after that, I'm gonna teach it to you step by step, so you can do this every single day. All right, I'm gonna be as transparent as possible. I'm not gonna do no stupid shit like these fake gurus, like hide shit. I'm gonna actually take the trade in front of you. But yeah, man, enough talking. Let's get into the markets, take the trade, and then I will teach you to. Let's go. So man, I just bought on Nasdaq. We got this nice reaction of this fair value gap. I got enter around here, and we got this fair value gap tapped into. Got this amazing MSS from the 5 minutes. Let's go. I'm looking for the price to go up. I'm gonna update you guys. I'm gonna speed this up right here. God damn, that took long. God damn, that took long, but it's finally over, bro. By the way, guys, this is a quick little lesson before I do the recap so you can learn. Most people do this one thing wrong in trading. They lose hope during drawdown if the price moves here or if it loses volume. But the thing is, the way you fix this is just a psychological fix. You have to take the trade based on your logic, and then after that you have to believe it. Okay, that's why it all starts in the beginning. If you take your trade based on your logic, then nothing matters after that, because then you can just wait and relax. Everything else that comes after that is just your emotions playing. I took this trade based on my logic, so I'm just gonna let it play out. Alrighty, let's do a recap so you guys can learn and do this as well every single day. Let's go, man. So essentially, session opened at 9:30. We actually had a freaking nice of a session movement. Okay, pretty much what we did was, let me show you quickly. We took out 5 minute highs right here. Okay, if I remember correctly, yeah, we took out 5 minute highs right here. Nothing crazy, but then we dumped immediately after that. Okay, and we had some nice shit going on in the beginning as well. Target took out these highs, dumped. We saw an MSS, but it was kind of too late. Okay, because if I would have wanted to target, I would have wanted to target this to match my risk-reward ratio, but it just actually wanted to react off of these 5 minute highs again. Look at this. Look at these 5 minute highs. So I didn't take the trade. I would have wanted to retrace a little bit for me to enter, but I was super calm today. I was super patient, etc. But then took out 5 minute highs. What do we get? One breakout structure, second breakout structure. What is that? An MSS. But then I want to wait a little bit more because this was just a 5 minute low that got taken, liquidity, right? So I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna mark out this fair value gap right here. What happened? We moving this, first of all, we're moving this higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, fair value gap tapped into, and we immediately get this push up from here. So I enter right here because the buyers enter the markets as well. That's what we gotta do. Okay, so like I said, I took this trade with A+ setup. This was an A+ setup, and then eventually we gained the volume back and bang, targeted this OB right here. Could have targeted this liquidity, but it was kind of late in the session, so I was like, okay, let's get it. But yeah, $2.8 thousand, A+ setup, very nice trade. Even though sometimes we'll lose some volume mid trade, but do not get emotional, guys. Do not get emotional. Just believe in the setup if it was taken with logic. Okay, and there you have it, my boy. $2.8 thousand. And if you want to actually learn this entire strategy, then click the first link in the description. It will take you to my free course. Like, subscribe, and yeah, man, thank you for watching. As usual, I will see you on the side. Let's go.